Welcome back. Today we're going to make these authentic homemade pizzas. They're absolutely great as a meal or for parties. If you prepare the dough, the sauce and toppings in advance, then it can be a fun activity for your guests to make their own pizzas. These don't take too long to cook, it's all down to the preparation. So this is what you'll need for the dough. Tepid water, dried yeast, sugar, plain flour, salt, semolina for dusting the pizza stone and pizza tray, and olive oil. To the warm water, add the yeast and sugar and mix it, and then leave it until bubbles form on the top. Next, mix in the salt into the flour and then add the olive oil and stir. Then mix in the yeast mixture and keep mixing until a dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and keep kneading and rolling for 10 to 15 minutes. You'll notice that the dough becomes more manageable. Form a ball and then put it into a lightly oiled bowl and then rub some oil on top and cover it with cling film. You need to leave this in a warm place for at least 3 hours or ideally overnight. These are the toppings that you can use. It's purely up to you. Obviously you need cheese. I've used some tuna fish, half cooked seekh kebab, peri peri chicken, peppers, mushrooms, olives, spring onions. You'll also need some pizza sauce. Check out my last video on how I made mine, or you can use a ready-made sauce. Preheat your oven to the highest setting, and if you're using a pizza stone, remember to put this in the cold oven so it heats up along with the oven. When the dough is ready, it should have doubled in size. Turn it onto a lightly floured surface and cut in half. This recipe is for 2 12-inch pizzas. To make the base, gently stretch the dough. Do not use a rolling pin as this will push out all the air. Lightly dust a pizza tray or stone with semolina and carefully place the pizza base onto the tray. Prick all over with a fork and then ladle on the pizza sauce and spread this. Now put your choice of toppings on. This is what I've used. I've kept a meat one and then the other one I've kept half vegetarian and half with tuna. Finally, top with the cheese and bake it in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Serve these straight out the oven, and I do guarantee that these taste as good as the restaurant ones. As always, thank you for watching and your support. Please do like, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video.